So when you get your CAE shifter, this is for Mitsubishi Evo 6-speed. It's gonna look something like this. Okay, no shift knob on there. You're gonna remove these. The longer one is going to go there. This one, you're gonna take out. This piece, you're gonna take out. This smaller one goes on the bottom, like so, of these. They look like that top part, right? M6 1.0 bolt, M6 1.0 heim joint, screws in. Put it around the same level, right about here. That's where I'm gonna drill the hole. Clears on the bottom. And we're basically just mimicking the stock shifter. As you can see, it goes this way. This is how it hinges. That's how that one hinges. And take your angle grinder. You're gonna cut that. After you've just hacked up your over $1,000 shifter, take a flap disc, and then you're gonna clean up this edge and that edge. As you can see, the hinge behind the shifter, the hinge behind the shifter, this is going to connect to this. Inside you have this little fitting, the longer fitting that was up top goes there. And that's really about it. I'm gonna throw it in the car now and test fit to see if I can use this center section. Here we are inside the car, if you couldn't tell. This bushing, you spin it around, clip it in there. This one, like that, push it in. This one, what I did for the last year on my Cooler Works shifter, but I zip tied 2 zip ties around here, 1 zip tie around those. You can even do 2, 3 of them, and it'll hold it down. This just has to be held in place and not moving. Like, it can move a little bit, but I fabricated a little bracket. It bolts into there. You can see this bolt hole lines up, and that's the only one that does. I'm gonna have to drill one right there, and then drill one right there, and then that one I made that special plate. Otherwise I would put like a big washer on there. All right, she's in. I have it mounted there in the original hole. Drilled that halfway on, you know, it's on there. And then that's the special bracket I made. Just an 1/8 inch piece of aluminum. I made like that little U shape, welded it together, and now it's on there. And that's not going anywhere. I'll zip tie it all down just for precautionary, so it all stays down. I don't have to worry about it. And then now I just need I need to run back to Ace and pick up another heim joint, bolt that up, and she's ready to rip. So here we are, the finished product. We got the left hand M6 heim joint, and then a normal heim joint. Set it up like that, and then here's your shifting. Super notchy, super precise. You gotta set up your limits. This is how I set mine up. Push it all the way to the edge. Then you still got a little bit of room. That's in first, and then put it in 5th. So normal, put it in 5th. So you got a little bit of play there. And then reverse, got a little bit of play there. So that's how it's done.